Hey, yo, future me. What's happening, man?
Not much, just working on this video.
Cool. So come on, man. Give me the highlights. Anything exciting happened in Namm? Did we do anything? Come on, let me know.
Nope.
What do you mean, man? The whole point of going to Namm was to establish yourself, was to get some free gear, was to make some big time connects. You telling me that none of that stuff happened? Really? You're not gonna give me anything. Come on, man. Something must have happened while you were at Namm. There's no way you could have been there all day and nothing happened.
Well, I met a couple people, but wasn't that big of a deal.
Are you honestly gonna tell me that nothing happened? You gotta give me something, man.
There's nothing to give.
I need to know that we are moving in the right direction. You need to take care of me. Future me, I'm counting on you. Wait, I'm getting ahead of myself. Let's back up a little. Just like all of you DJs and musicians out there, my main focus was to see all the new gear and get as much information for the masses and for those who can't attend. This year was different for me though. While I was very much going to do all those things I just said, my main focus was on networking. And oh, did I network. I networked the shit out of this place. But networking was just one aspect for me at Namm. Namm is about reconnecting with old friends, improving relationships, getting to know you guys, getting to know my fellow YouTube peers. See me in bar? Oh yeah, we're best friends now. I got to experience some sick new gear, new potential opportunities, and some sick performances. Oh, and then there was this. Come on, man. Just stupid. That was impressive and amazing.
Talk about it. What's happening?
Wow, Mojack just co-signed for me.
Hey.
Mojack's co-signed for me. Wow. I don't know what to say right now. I'm speechless. Wait, hold on. You're serious?
Has a heart attack.
You see, man, this is why you ain't got no subscribers. You need to get your shit together. We're not gonna blow up if you're not doing what you're supposed to do. You future me. I can't live like this. You know what? I'm out. This is some bullshit.
Hold on, man. Come on, man. Oh, come on. I'm just playing with you.